So this is a PDF, which is a sample of the trip planner app that you can create. And I'll just show you what I did with this particular assignment. And you can be as creative as you'd like. So in Word, I created a word art. So I just went to Insert, Word Art, chose anything that came up, and then I changed the color of it. And then I did also go into Transform into the word art. So if I go into it now, I can pick a different type of layout of the letters. So you can choose anything you'd like. And then I just inserted two pictures from online, from Creative Commons, and I just stretched it out, pretty much the full length of it, and then a shorter picture. And then for this one, I just drew a text box. So that would be Insert, Text Box, and Draw. And then I just made it regular size and moved it with the four arrows to where I wanted, and then I chose a background. So what you can do, and you type right in it any information you want. You can copy this, that's fine. So if you wanted to dress up the text box, it was originally just a white background. So in the shape format, you can go into fill and choose a different background. So if you wanted to go to more fill, you could customize it to something different. And then this is the before and this is the after. And then what's really cool in here is you have, you can do the shape effects too, which gives it a glow around it, a reflection around it if you wanted. But what's really nice in outline, you can go to different types of outline. And then you can you have to keep going back in here. Do you want to change the color of that outline to maybe something darker? And you can also change, so I have the outline, I chose the sketched one, and then I can actually go to the weight of it, so it's a lot thicker. So besides the border and just a blue background of this text box, you can go back to Shape Fill. I worked with more colors. You could actually put a picture behind it. But what's really cool is you could select gradients, which give you different variations, lighter, darker. Or you can go into texture and select anything you like. So be as creative as you like. I also did a background page border color. So be free to do anything you like. Be creative and enjoy. Thank you.